question is always allows how trees secretly communicate. Imagine walking through a forest. Thousands of trees stand silently around you. They don't have mouth, they don't have ears, they don't have brains even like ours. Yet, scientists have discovered something extraordinary, which you are soon to hear. These silent giants are constantly communicating. Really? How do trees communicate? Sharing food, sending warnings, even helping one another survive. Welcome to one of nature's greatest hidden wonders. Welcome back to Aviphonexus. Today, we are exploring a hidden world beneath your feet. A world where trees are connected in ways few people ever imagined. Most of a tree's life happens where we rarely look. Underground. Tree roots are often connected by microscopic fungi that form an enormous network beneath the forest floor. Scientists sometimes call this the wood wide web. These fungi attach to tree roots and create pathways through which water, nutrients, and chemical signals can travel. It's a partnership. The fungi receives sugars made by the tree through photosynthesis. In return, they help the tree absorb water and minerals far beyond the reach of its own roots. Imagine insects attacking a tree. Instead of suffering in silence, the tree begins releasing chemical signals into the air. Nearby trees detect these signals and start producing defensive chemicals before the insects reach them. In a sense, one tree warns another of approaching danger. It is an extraordinary survival strategy that helps entire forests become more resilient. Scientists have also observed that large, healthy trees can transfer nutrients to smaller or struggling trees through their underground fungal connections. This support can increase the survival chances of younger saplings growing in the shade. Rather than existing as isolated individuals, many forests function as interconnected ecosystems where cooperation can play an important role alongside competition. Forests are far more than a collection of trees. They store carbon, protect wildlife, regulate water cycles, and help produce the oxygen we depend on. Understanding these hidden connections reminds us that even the quietest parts of nature are full of life and interaction. The forest teaches us that strength often comes through connection, just as trees thrive through relationships. Beneath the surface, nature reminds us that cooperation and care are woven into creation itself. Every walk through a forest becomes an opportunity to appreciate a world that is far more interconnected than it first appears. If this hidden world beneath the forest surprised you, subscribe to Aviphonexus and join us as we continue uncovering the incredible secrets of nature. Next time, we'll dive beneath the waves to discover why whales sing and how their voices travel across entire oceans. Stay blessed and stay connected.